sasana kuthola umbiko la ngomdlalo weBafana Bafana nomdlalo wedlaleni Mamelodi Sundowns neBrighton. Kuthiwa iAl Ahly noPercy Tau have reached actually a mutual agreement to terminate his contract. Sonke uPercy Tau neAl Ahly bebeloke behamba back and forth. Back and forth regarding the situation yakhe necontract yakhe. Umfana sakhumbula ubefunwa yiWydad Casablanca in the last transfer window, but-ke lokho akwenzakalanga. uTau wagcina sehlala kwiAl Ahly. But currently yabo indaba ziyaphuma right now kuthiwa umfana ngenza ngempela ayishiye iAl Ahly, yabo abe free agent. Akwaziwa ukuthi yipi i-team azoyijoyina, yabo yipi i-team azoyijoyina uPercy Tau currently, because ne-statement iAl Ahly akasikhiphi. It is expected ukuthi bazosikhipa i-statement soon, yabo besho le case le yakhe. But batravelile na umfana bayile le Algeria, yabo bayodlala eAlgeria, bayodlala neCR Belouizdad if I'm not mistaken, yabo ne-Champions League, yabo bayodlala leyo game leyo. So asikakaphumi i-statement esisho ukuthi kahle kahle lo mjidelo uyahamba kwiAl Ahly. But maningi ama-team amfunayo mfana, yabo unama-links neKaizer Chiefs, unama-links neWydad Casablanca, unama-links futhi ne-team yaPitso Mosimane, yabo uPitso Mosimane le team ayicoachayo le. So ngokwakho yona iyiphi team angayisayini uPercy Tau? Yabo uPercy Tau is a good player, yabo class is permanent. He's one of those players ongabasebenzisa ngempela abane-experience abalazi ibhola lale Africa nebhola lale phesheya, yabo. So ngokubona kwakho iyiphi i-team engamsayini uPercy Tau currently, yabo njoba ingenzeka ayishiye iAl Ahly? It's either uzoya kuWydad Casablanca, yabo leyo ingayenza sense because uRolani Mkwena, yabo une-connection noPercy Tau, noma futhi aye le kwi-team yaPitso Mosimane. Pitso Mosimane wasebenza kakhulu nalo mfana lo, yabo emraiser under his wings. But-ke singesazi ukuthi yiphi team angayijoyina currently, noma iKaizer Chiefs, yabo bangakhipha imali iKaizer Chiefs ikwazi ukuthola isignature yakhe, imnikeze imali eningi ukuthi ayahola umfana. Singesazi-ke bafethu, ungangitshela lapho kuma-comments ukuthi yiphi team umfethu angayijoyina, yabo engamfanela ngempela. Maningi ama-team amakhulu la e-Africa, yabo angathanda ukuba noPercy Tau because usuka ku-team enkulu vele la e-Africa, yabo iAl Ahly is regarded as Real Madrid of Africa.